thought I wanted to share this morning. And it's about the cyclical nature of real estate. There's always trends up, down, flat. We've just come off of a huge multi-year uptrend. Many people have gotten huge appreciation in their properties, huge appreciation in the values of their home, tons of equity in most cases. But with that said, you've got to be aware of where you're at in the cycle. We've now crossed the peak. We're probably a year into a down cycle. It may take another 2 years of down before we see another up, which correlates with interest rates. It completely correlates with the economy. It correlates with the economy. But the fact is, you need to be able to identify where we're at in the cycle. Now, I highly encourage you, if something makes sense and there's money on the table and the deal makes sense to you, do the deal by all means. Very often, you can make your deal even better as it approaches a better part of the cycle. You may end up with a better interest rate. You may end up with, a better deal, more appreciation, just depending upon when you purchase and how you purchase and so forth. But I want to introduce one other element to this, that you don't have to be a one-trick pony here. Real estate is where we put our money, but here we are coming into a down cycle on real estate, but you've got things like cryptocurrencies and specifically Bitcoin coming into an upcycle. And this isn't to convert you to cryptocurrency or anything like that, but it is where I'm putting my money now. I mean, let's say over the next 1 year I get a double on my Bitcoin or something like that, then that money can be multiplied and put into real estate later. I believe the ultimate investment is real estate. It's very tax advantaged. You get the appreciation, you get the pay down, you get all of the positives on having rental property. And that's where I highly encourage you to put your money long term. But Bitcoin has some very attractive properties as well. So consider that, look at the cycle of where things are at. I mean, obviously in commercial real estate, we've been in a down cycle for quite some time, as people are not wanting to go into offices anymore. So just identify where we're at in a cycle, use that information, give yourself more options to succeed,